unpredictable highs can make it hard. Finding relief may help you break through. Ask about Vraylar. Some medicines only treat the lows or highs. Vraylar treats depressive, acute manic, and mixed episodes of bipolar 1 in adults. Proven full-spectrum relief for all bipolar 1 symptoms.
Not for elderly with dementia-related psychosis due to increased risk of death or stroke. Report changes in behavior or suicidal thoughts to your doctor. Antidepressants may increase these in those under 25. Report fever, stiff muscles, or confusion.
Papa, wake up.
Okay, honey, don't scare me like that, honey.
My bad.
Don't scare people like that.
Sorry, you were snoring.
Okay, don't scare people like that, honey.
You were snoring.
Just be gentle, honey. Don't scare people in deep sleep, okay? Okay, I know you didn't mean it. I know.
You were snoring.
I know.
It was funny.
Yeah, I know, honey. Just be.
You were snoring with the TV on in the background. It was so funny.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go and sit down.
Stay with me.
I'll be right back.
Alright, what are you faking?
I'm not faking anything. Papa was snoring with the TV on in the background. Sit down.
I'm sure he's tired.
It was so funny.
I bet he doesn't think it's funny. No.
Well,
No.
okay, well, I thought it was, Sito.
Oh, good.
Oh, I gotta wake him up. Should I wake him up? Should I wake him up, Sito?
Why? I thought you just were talking to him.
Oh, yeah, but then right away he fell back asleep.
He's tired, I'm sure. Just leave him alone. Carter.
Okay,
Get
say
it off.
bye.
Bye.